Hello and welcome to theorytestmalta.com. Today, in this short clip, I am providing an introduction by explaining why this website was created, how it works, and what you can achieve by it. Okay, so let's start then with the first question, why I felt the need to do this website. During my coaching experience as a driving instructor, assisting pupils to achieve their driving license, I quickly found out that most pupils were failing their car and motorcycle theory test because they were not preparing for their theory test, and therefore, unfortunately, failing several times. Basically, they were just going for the test, playing the lucky game. You want to pass your test because you really want to pass with your input, not because of luck, right? The next question came to me. Why is this happening? Basically, as I myself went through some of these tests when I obtained my instructor license and motorcycle license, I found out that preparing for this test was boring and demotivating, since there is a lot of questions and studying was very passive. Why is this? It is because the notes available are as follows. You have the question, and next to it, you have the possible answers. But you also have the right answer or answers ticked, so you do not have a chance to think what is the best answer. This leads to studying, as we say in Maltese, like a parrot. A parrot says back what you tell it without any sense of the work being said. Basically, studying just to pass the test. Unfortunately, that is very limited in creativity, defies the purpose of the theory test, and worse, probably you are learning nothing, or very little. You can do much better than that in a shorter time. So my next thought was to create a system that is nearly 100% identical as that of the official theory test. A system that activates the mind, makes it fun and rewarding to prepare for. So that takes me to the next question, which is how the system works. We have two tests, one that includes all the questions, but in a test format. This is the one that we recommend that you will start from. Next to each question, you have the possible answers. You have to choose the right answer or answers, then you move on to the next question. When you finish all the questions, you will receive an email with only the wrong ones you got. Here is the one of the greatest benefits of this system. We only send you the wrong ones you got because the good ones, you know them, right? You need to only go over the wrong ones you got, which you will be able to follow in the email with results. That saves a lot of time. Taking the example of the car theory test, the question bank is of 444 questions. I know, it is a huge amount of questions, but rightly so, as there are a lot of subjects to be covered related to driving. This fact alone might be another reason why many people give up on studying the questions and just going for the test blindly. However, we also thought about that. Our system allows you to pause and continue on another time, or even continue on another device, as long as it is connected to the internet. So if you do it in small chunks, say 40 questions a day, which is very easily achievable in a short time, you can spread the studying over 11 days. The second test we have is designed to test yourself as if you are at the theory test center. The benefits of this are 1. You familiarize yourself with the test, so when you go there, anxiety levels, if any, will be lowered. And 2, you will know better where you stand and if you need to prepare yourself any further. What can you achieve by this system? And that is the third question and the last question. You will save time, not only from doing repeat official theory tests, but also from practical driving lessons. You may ask why. Because since what you are studying you are actually understanding, when your driving instructor explains something, you are going to understand faster, or maybe even there wouldn't be any requirement for an in-depth explanation. Therefore, the next point comes into mind. For the same reasons I just explained, you will also save a lot of money. The other achievement will be that the procedure to obtain your license will be more engaging and interesting, since now you also understood the concept of learning by taking an active role in driving or riding. So that's it. Just a few side notes about our system. You can pay for these tests with PayPal or your credit card on our secure website. Both tests cost €5. The all questions test can be done 2 times with one €5 payment. The actual test can be done 5 times with one €5 payment. Feel free to browse our FAQ section or get in touch with us for further questions. We also appreciate any feedback or suggestions. We are very open to them because this is how we came up with a system that works for you, by listening to what you want. We appreciate for using our services and we look forward to see you driving on the road with your license. Thank you. Bye.